everyone, today we are talking about calorie burner. When I got conscious about my body and I wanted to change how I looked, I checked the internet for how to lose 15 kg fast. So I was seeing, healthy eating, diet, exercise, But when I was seeing apple cider vinegar, I saw cinnamon, lemon, and their benefits. I checked YouTube. I also saw how I lost 30 pounds with apple cider vinegar, how I lost 15 kg, this to that in 1 month. And I'm like, ooh, amazing. So I got apple cider vinegar and I kept using, and I didn't see anything. Nothing happened. And I'm like, a lot of us choose apple cider vinegar as the remedy to weight loss more than diet and exercise. I mean, what is diet and exercise? And apple cider vinegar, cinnamon, and then lemon. when those powerful principalities are there. I'm not here to bash anyone, troll, or insult anyone, even though I'm doing that low-key. I'm just here to talk to you about the way apple cider vinegar works when it comes to weight loss. Shall we? First, I want to talk to you about the health benefits of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has been shown to have numerous health benefits, and I'm just going to list a few. It has been shown to boost immune system, lower blood pressure in a way, but it's not a remedy for hypertension. It has also been shown to lower blood sugar, but it is not a substitute for the medication. And apple cider vinegar also reduces blood potassium levels. So if you're diabetic, you need to consult with your doctor first if you should use apple cider vinegar. The doctors will be aware if you're diabetic, especially, and you're using apple cider vinegar. Also, apple cider vinegar has been shown to aid in digestion, relieve bloating, and has also numerous skin benefits. Amazing, right? Well, when it comes to diet, what apple cider vinegar does is, first, it's not a fat burner. Let's clarify that, okay? What it does is it keeps you full. Keeps you full, so you eat fewer calories. Do you understand? Adding a tablespoon or two to your glass of water will keep you full for a longer period, so you do not eat or do not crave unnecessary, or you do not start eating everything. But if you're undisciplined when it comes to food, you're going to drink apple cider vinegar and you are also going to eat judiciously with it, and nothing is going to change. Do you understand? So yes, I've tried it, and this bottle has been with me for over a year. I didn't even use it when I was actively losing weight. When I was really working on diet and exercise, I didn't use it at all. So you can see you can do without it if you want to lose weight, because it is not a substitute for diet and exercise. All right, so just take it sometimes a tablespoon or two in a glass of water, and I drink in the morning to relieve bloating, or maybe I do not feel like eating anything, or just something I just don't want to eat, so I just take it and it keeps me full. Not like it keeps me full throughout the day, it doesn't. Okay, for me, you can try it and let me see how it works. And if you think it's going to burn fat for you, try it, and I'll be waiting for you in the comment section. All right, so okay, you see, apple cider vinegar is not a fat burner. It's not going to melt any fat in your body. It's just going to aid in your weight loss journey by making you eat fewer calories, because it's going to keep you full. And yes, it's also going to aid in your digestion. It's going to relieve bloating too. So don't still see any ways correlating with fat burning. But if you do not believe me, you want to stick to what you've been seeing on the net, saying it's helping you lose 1 kg, helping you lose 20 kg in a month, try it, darling. Try it. Try it without you can even exercise, but just try without having an active diet. See the results. I'll be waiting for you. What I want you to know too before I wrap this up is that you shouldn't take apple cider undiluted, especially if you have ulcer, because apple cider has been shown to worsen ulcer symptoms. If you want to try, you can just take it once, a tablespoon with water, of course, and see how your body reacts to it. If your body doesn't react well to it, do not take it again. Also, apple cider is acidic, and it has been shown to have terrible effects on the teeth, damaging the tooth enamel. So do not take it undiluted, and if at all you want to take it with you want to take it diluted, always use a straw, thereby you're protecting your teeth. Are we good? All right, so that's the benefits of apple cider. It works when it comes to weight loss, and I hope I've clarified your doubts. I remember the first Get Me Lit challenge we did November, and a client came and said, oh, she took ice cream today, she knows she was not supposed to take it because it was not on her meal plan or diet, blah blah blah, but she took apple cider, you know, to burn it, and she knows it's going to burn it. And I'm like, I'm like, okay, no problem. Then I have to tell them that, you see, it is not a fat burner, and I'm just here to tell everyone here too that it is not a fat burner. Capiche? Thank you for watching my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video and you gained a lot. In fact, you gained everything I've said. Please subscribe and I'll see you next week. Bye.